Finally, we have music. Western music is a form of country music composed by and about the people who settled and worked throughout the Western United States and Western Canada. Western music celebrates the lifestyle of the cowboy on the open ranges, Rocky Mountains, and the prairies of Western North America. Directly related musically to Old English, Irish, Scottish, and folk ballads, also Mexican folk music of northern Mexico and southwestern United States influenced the development of this genre. So we have a couple of songs for you. Glen Campbell, a famous country western singer, sings a song called Wichita Lineman. So not all songs are about cowboys. A lineman is the person that fixes the wires of the telegraph or telephone, or those high energy wires that string across the prairie. It's a simple tale of a lonely telephone repairman working in the vast open plains of the American Midwest. Wichita Lineman is one of the most perfectly realized pop songs of all time. So take a listen to Glen Campbell, Wichita Lineman. Okay, so our next Western music song is sung by Paula Cole, and it's entitled "Where Have All the Cowboys Gone?" And it glamorizes cowboys, the strong, silent, rugged, macho man in a Stetson hat has always been a powerful image. Women wanted to marry a John Wayne or a Gary Cooper, while men wanted to be John Wayne or Gary Cooper. Paula Cole is singing about the reality behind that image. The narrator of the song fell in love with a rugged, macho, rural male and married him, and only then learned that life with the real cowboy isn't so glamorous after all. Cowboys, ranchers, and farm workers in rural America don't make a lot of money. So she and her husband are barely scraping by financially. They had to sell their car, and he takes a job at a farm far away. So she's left to raise the children by herself, working her fingers to the bone, while her husband drinks away the little money he earns. She's left wondering, what happened to the man I idolized? I thought he was going to be the kind of romantic cowboy I saw in the movies. But there's nothing romantic or glamorous about this life at all. The video ends on a happier note. They resolve their issues and come together in the end. A quick note about Paula Cole. She was raised in Massachusetts and studied at Berklee College of Music in Boston. Okay, so we have a short video clip of Paula Cole's song, Where Have All the Cowboys Gone? So take a look at that. And our third song is a standard. It's been around for quite a while. Everybody knows it. It's entitled Rocky Mountain High, written and sung by John Denver. John Denver's more of a kind of a folk music singer. This takes on a Western theme. Rocky Mountain High is primarily inspired by John Denver's move to Aspen, Colorado. It took him about 3 years to write the song, and it's about his love of the state. The 7th stanza makes a reference to the destruction of the mountain's beauty by commercial tourism. The song was considered a major piece of 1970s pop culture and has become well associated with Colorado history. After years as an unofficial anthem for Colorado, in 2007, the Colorado General Assembly made Rocky Mountain High one of the 2 official state songs.